In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up sale prices for product variants in Shopify. Whether you're looking to boost sales or clear inventory, knowing how to handle product variants effectively can make a big difference. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step, making sure it's straightforward and easy for you to follow. First things first, we're going to start by logging into your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted at your dashboard, the hub of all your business operations. From here, we're going to focus on your products. So go ahead and click on Products in the menu. This will take you to a list of all the products you currently have in your store. Now, for the purpose of this demonstration, let's select a product that has different variants. Imagine you're running a shoe store, and among these products, you have a shoe with several color options. In this case, we're going to adjust the price specifically for the red variant. Start by scrolling down the product details and look for the variants section. This section is critical as it shows you all the different variations of your product, allowing you to manage them individually. Next, spot the variant that you're interested in adjusting. For today's example, we'll focus on the red variant of our shoes. Simply click on the red variant, and this action will open up the product information customization page. Here, you'll have the opportunity to specify details unique to this product version, including prices. Now, let's set up that sale price. Look for the fields labeled as Compare at Price and Price. The Compare at Price should be a figure that's higher than the regular price, the one labeled simply as Price. This technique showcases to customers that they're snagging a deal, helping to entice more sales. For instance, if the usual price for these red shoes is $50, set the Compare at Price higher. Say it's $70. Meanwhile, mark the current sale price at something lower, like $45. Make sure you're content with your chosen prices. When satisfied, you'll see a Save button at the bottom of the page. Click on this to ensure all your critical changes are saved successfully. If you have multiple variants you wish to discount, repeat these last few steps for each one. Going through each, setting the proper sale prices, and saving allows you to maintain accurate and dynamic pricing strategies for your products. And just like that, you're done.